大家好, this is Martin from LTL, and today we're going to learn some Chinese jokes. Number one, 什么动物最没有方向感？什么动物最没有方向感？ Which animals have the worst sense of direction? 迷路 lost there. This is because 迷路 means lost and 路 also sounds like there. Did you get it? Number two, 为什么小鸡要过马路？为什么小鸡要过马路？ Why did the chicken cross the road? 因为对面有机会。 That's because 机会 means opportunity, and 鸡 also means chicken. So the chicken crossed the road for an opportunity. And number three, 为什么吸血鬼不吃辣？为什么吸血鬼不吃辣？ Why don't vampires like spicy food? 因为他们只吃不辣的 blood. 因为他们只吃不辣的。So 不辣的 means not spicy, but also sounds like blood, right? Do you know any other Chinese jokes? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. 下次见，拜。